This is Lucky 7 Garage, where we drink Mountain Dew, do it for Dale, and build cool cars. So we got a couple boxes right here, and little Amazon bag right here, Amazon Prime, Amazon Prime, you know what I'm saying, And I got a key in my hand. You see something sharp, so put those together, that means I'm going to be doing a little unboxing, just a little small unboxing. Ain't too much, but just a little, So, I guess let's go ahead and get into it, I don't know what else to say. Let's go from smallest to biggest, I guess. So, this bag, I think this is spark plugs. I hear them rolling, I think so. It's the smallest one. I don't think they'll put spark plugs in. But some of these packages came in together, so I don't know. But, oh, this one you just tear it. Amazon Prime, Okay. Bag inside of another bag. Yeah, these gotta be spark plugs. I can feel it. You can feel spark plugs. So let's go ahead and open these things up. I forgot what spark plugs I used. All of these parts are for the BMW. All of them. Yeah. Okay, okay, let me show you this. This is the packaging. Improved fuel economy. Titanium enhanced double tip. Well, it says twin tip, but double tip. Twin tip technology, and everything else is Spanish. Same thing. Then Platinum TT. This is what the box looks like. If you want to screenshot it, whatever you want to use it. Yeah. It says for fuel economy. I didn't pick fuel. I don't know. This is what they say. Now I'm gonna open it up and see what actually looks like. Okay. So I'm putting Japan parts. What is the sound? It's a weird sound. I'm putting JDM parts in a German car, which is weird. This is what it looks like. Can you see? Focus on there. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It has a little notch on the top, something like, I don't know what that is for. I don't know. They said, I don't know, but they're platinum spark plugs. Now, I would have got double platinum, but double platinum is kind of expensive, so I can get that. Which I don't need that, because, it's not going to be like a performance car. It's an upgraded spark plug, though, but it's not like for like 1,000 horsepower or nothing like that. I guess I put these back. No, I'm gonna just put these in the big bag. Okay, now on to the next box. Boom, small box. I probably shouldn't do that. But let me just have to wait. For my keys. Amazon Prime box again, What's this? Bosch. Oh. Wait. It's probably gonna be backwards for you, but it says Bosch Premium Oil Filter. I'm gonna open it up so you can see it, whatever it looks like. And then we got an air filter. And I don't know what this is. I don't know. Let me see what this is. Oh, shoot. Put my face. It says, this is a set. Do not separate. I don't know what that is. But let me open up this thing first. Premium oil filter. Now, this is not a regular oil filter. It is, but it's not like normal cars. Like normal cars, you don't just replace it. This one, like the actual filter. It has this little, like, things on both sides. I don't know. And it comes with a new seal, which I needed one because mine is leaking oil from the seal. So I needed one of these. This isn't one of those like cups, you know, like the whole thing, you know, is in one, you know, you replace the whole thing. I don't know. That's weird. My mom's Challenger has that same thing too. Put that to the side. Premium air filter. Wait, why did I buy an air filter if I have a K&N air filter on it? I don't know. It's a regular old air filter. You know, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it in plastic so that, you know, nothing will get in. And let's see this box that I don't even know what this is. Those should be my coils, but let me just see. Oh, guys from EcoGuard. I don't know what that place is. Bosch. And those are from, where's this place called again? Denso. And let's open this thing up. This should be my coils, but coils aren't this heavy, so it shouldn't be. But what else did I order? I forgot what I ordered. Oh, these are my coils. This is not even a company name. This company doesn't even have a name. It comes with a return form at the bottom that you rip off, and then it comes with like little instructions or whatever. I don't use instructions. Obviously, I know how to put coils in. I got all new 6 coils. I'll show you what they look like. I wonder if the brand name is actually on this, but I don't think so. No, there's no brand name on it. Why is there no? I don't know. You know, 3 plugs in there. These are kind of heavy though. Like they're not just all plastic. It's like actually good quality. So came with 6 because it is a 6-cylinder. It's not the M5, which I wish it was the M5. The dude I talked to at Napa all the time, he was like, "Man, we gotta make the thing to an M5." We need to, or really, we just need an LS socket though. Okay, so that's that on that. I might need to return though. I might need to return. You never know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there. Back up in there. Alright. And I don't know a company for that place, so I don't know. Did that go away? Alright. Move this box out the way. Let's get to the big heavy box. So this should have my oil, my thing of oil in there. Okay, yep. And it comes with these things in them. I like popping these things. Guys away. I don't know what that is. This was the only thing making it heavy. It wasn't even. I thought I had got Mobil 1, but I ended up getting Valvoline. I think the guys at Napa told me to get Mobil 1, but that was already after I had ordered. It was already in my house. So that can sit over there. Out the way. Now, this is the only thing left. Last box. Oh, thermostat housing. Assembly with the sensor. Let's see what this thing looks like. Again, no company for this product. It's like, it's brand new. This isn't remanufactured, this is brand new. And it comes with a little plug, little sensor thing, whatever. Thermostat. I want to know how do I take this out so I can put a new one in there, because Tina at Napa said there's another one where like there's holes in the thermostat to where it lets water pass through like all the time. You know, like it ain't a whole bunch of water, but you know, a little bit of water pass through all the time so you can stay cool. Of course you want to stay cool, you know, you're driving a cool car. You want to stay cool, right? At least I do. So yeah, that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. Now, I'm totally new to BMW. This is the first this BMW out there. That's the first BMW I ever sat in, ever drove, and now I'm about to do a whole tune-up on it and do all this stuff on it, and I don't even know what I'm about to do. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know how to do a regular tune-up, but you know, BMW, you know, all these, you know, those foreign cars, they do like weird stuff. So hopefully everything goes right. I will be making a video about that too. I'm still trying to figure out how to do the little things. Right, I think you got to be monetized to do that type of thing. But I'm gonna have a video on installing all this stuff. But the stuff that's too hard, I probably won't even install it. Like this right here, I don't even know. I think I gotta take the fan off for that. And I don't feel like doing all that. Who feels like doing all that? So, go ahead and put everything back up. And I should have got a, you know, I'm gonna just go to Napa get an oil stabilizer. And I want to give a shout out to Tina, Scott, and Brian at Napa Auto Parts on Sunset Road, Charlotte, North Carolina. They hooked it up, you know what I'm saying? They be hooking it up, you know. Yeah. Should go shop over there. They're really nice people, really nice to get along with. And if you don't know what you're talking about, they will help you out and narrow it down, because I remember when I was first getting into it and I didn't know what I was doing. They, you know, here you do this goes here, this the better, they even tell you the better options. Like even, like, you know, I don't know if business people would, like if you own a store and you would prefer somebody get the cheaper product. You know what I mean? They're not the type of company that's all about the money. You know, they'll tell you, no, you should probably get this one because it's cheaper and it's, you know, it's still the same thing. You know, some companies, they'd be like, it's the same thing, or they won't tell you it's the same thing. They'll tell you one is better, even though it's the same thing, just because it's more expensive, they want you to spend your money. They're not like that at all. Definitely not. So, yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, if you need help, you know, you can go up there and be like, hey, my car's making this noise. What could this issue be? Or could you check my battery? They're just really nice people. So they're just really nice people. You should go there and talk to them. Tell them that Rico sent you. They probably help you out on some pricing stuff too. But yeah, I think this is a wrap for this video. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing on all the stuff that I just bought for the Beamer, all the tune-up, you know, to do everything on the tune-up. And yeah. Shout out to Amazon. But then no, but again, because they delayed my packages. Even though I got Amazon Prime. But yeah, it doesn't matter. As long as I got them now, I'm not gonna email them or anything like that saying, hey, I want my money back and all this type of stuff. I don't care about that. As long as I got it now, it doesn't matter. It's only like a day late, but they still delayed my package. So yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on my videos, and you know, make sure you hit the bell and follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_. Do not just put Lucky7Garage, because there is a account out there, just Lucky7Garage, and he doesn't have anything on his page, and it's so annoying because he has no followers, nothing on his page, nothing. And I keep trying to delete the account so I can use that name, because I hate the underscore at the end. Even though it's just underscore, I hate that. I want that account because I want people to just say Lucky7Garage, because some people forget an underscore. I want people to just type in Lucky7Garage and be able to find my channel. Even though my channel and my, you know, had the same picture, but still, some people don't know. Like, some people was tagging that page for a long time, and I'm like, you know, I be tagging you, and I'm like, no, you haven't. But then I go on their page, and I see they just put Lucky7Garage, and I'm like, nah, you gotta put the underscore. You gotta put the underscore. It really bugs me, but if you guys find that account, try to report that account so I can get that name, please. Yeah. I need that. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Again, I already know I said that 2 times. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I'm gonna have a video on putting all this stuff on the car. Oh, this is not supposed to come off yet. Yeah, so you even got the thing on the top too. Lucky 7 Garage.